has talent, so what they can do? They don't have any option to do something or to just come out through their talent. No, it is not true. They also have an option, you know. They have equal option. But yeah, there is one thing: if someone who is a daughter and son of any director or any rich people, so that person can get a chance at the age of 22. But a person who are just doing so much well, there are so many actors they did, so it will take them more 5 and 6 years. Okay, this is the only difference according to me. If you have talent, that is not gonna based. You can easily make your career in which field you want. But yeah, definitely it will take more time. It will take more time just because you don't have any resources. And
Yes, you're right.
that's why we need to work hard. Yeah. So this is the point that I wanted to make up,
It is a good
like
point.
politics and just,
Though
yeah,
you made
it
a
is.
good point that the person who is not based on the nepotism, they have to do more hard work. Until if they have talent, they're
Yeah.
gonna be succeed. That is that is correct.
Yeah.
Like in the Bollywood, the
Just because they
uh,
don't have resources. Don't have
yes,
resources. That they have to struggle more.
yeah,
Yeah.
and
And
it is all about the money
also,
also.
exactly. It is also about
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
bit network issue. Okay, now am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, you are. Yeah,
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 you are
you are
audible.
good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the point that you made about money, definitely, a person who have lot more money, they can collect more and more resources. But a person who don't, they have to again firstly somehow manage everything. Everything means everything they have to manage.
Yeah. And after the Sushant Singh Rajput's death, Kangana Ranaut raises this point in nepotism. Yes, the nepotism is earlier also, but after his death, the point of nepotism is so raised, and she blaming the Karan Johar for.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, Karan Johar is taking the celebrities' child for the new movies like Ananya Pandey. Although I know that their acting was good, but they don't have to do the hard work as compared to Kangana Ranaut and many other
Mm-hmm.
actors.
Yeah,
Actors, actually, they directly get the film.
exactly.
They don't. I think yes, they have. The directors have taken their audition, but as compared to the people that come from the backward classes, or we say that come from the outside of the Bollywood, so they have to work hard. And although when we gonna go for the politics, so you are right that in politics, nepotism is a very in the high species. So, uh, if the sarpanch, if a family have a sarpanch in their family, so I think it is from the ancestors. They can't the other persons to be the sarpanch, or so that's all for me today.
Hello.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, so yeah, it's all true. It's all true. And when it comes about Karan Johar, just before Sushant suicide, before that I used to watch to watching that show. Just because I have seen so many things, like there was some discrimination, there was some mockery against all other actors. That's why I just quit that show. And just I used to watch so I can improve my English language. But now I don't watch also. Okay, now we have more people. So Vicky.
Yeah, okay, bro. So yeah, as we all know, our topic of today is nepotism. So as far as nepotism is concerned, uh, there's a nepotism almost everywhere, whether it's about politics, whether it's um, film industry or companies, no matter. So we all know. So and these days we all are talking about nepotism, and we all are listening through the news. So this is the reason why we chose this topic. So and everyone knows about nepotism, it has been existed in Bollywood for years, but no one uh, did used to talk about this before Sushant died by suicide. But these days, most of the people think it was the nepotism uh, that led him to committing suicide. So this is the reason it is in vogue these days, and we all know it is truth. And like in case of Bollywood, if we take the example of Bollywood, so there are so many talented actors and actresses also who actually are talented, but they are not given the they are not treated equally just because they are from mm, no, they are not from Bollywood background. They are no one I mean no one of their family belong to Bollywood just because they are not getting work. So Sushant Rajput was also one of the really talented actor, but on the other hand we all know like some actor and actresses like Alia Bhatt, Abhishek Bachchan, Ranveer Kapoor, they all are from family background, or from Bollywood family background. So this is the reason they get work more work as compared to the person and the actor and actress who are not from Bollywood background. So it is really deplorable thing, and it is bad aspect of people who are leading to nepotism, and it can really lead to like kind of committing suicide also. So and it's all up to the on the perspective of people. It's not up to only one person, and it's everywhere almost. Like if we talk about politics, there are also nepotism like Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, Jay, Jay Shah. Uh, I guess you guys must be knowing about Jay Shah also. He's the son of Amit Shah, and he has been made as a secretary in BCCI. So nepotism has been existed for years, not only these days. But we all are talking about this just because these days we all are facing the problem related to Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay, that's all from my side, bro.
Yeah, all right, Vicky. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
Kajol?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think everyone has already kept the point that nepotism is everywhere, and we can't deny that it is sometimes the it is happen because some of the parents wants their child that they got job easily, so it happens. But I think it should not happen that yeah, that most of the time the talented people are due to these things. Most of the talented people have to work hard so much, and yeah, it's true that working hard is important, but I think nepotism, yeah, when we talk about nepotism, then it is a human nature that that somebody want their child to be in to be successful easily. So they can't see them to struggle, so it happens with it happens, I think. So that's why. And nepotism is not about, not in politics or in Bollywood only, but it is everywhere. I think in job profession, in schools also, sometimes we have seen nepotism. So it happens in every sector. So yeah, if so I think it is our responsibility. But yeah, we have to aware, we have to uh, stand for that things. So I think it is also necessary. Right now the situation is I think this situation is already going on. like nepotism. So yeah, there is no any new point which I can tell, because already all have the mentioned the point of nepotism, I think. So
Mhm.
yeah, that's from my side. If I got some point, then I will definitely mention.
Yeah, all right.
Vicky has raised a good point about the Rahul Gandhi. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
now the all Congress leaders have appointed. Firstly, they have appointed him as a president of the all Congress party, and later he resigned after the lose. Actually, he was lose in the elections in 2019. But I think yes, we can say that he's a talented guy. But unfortunately, the much of the fame that he got by his family only. And many of the good actors, many of the politicians, I think, burn their talent because they can't able to do hard work because they actually got that, yes, I got the ticket, or I definitely be an actor because I am from the that background. So they don't have to think so. Actually, they have to do hard work.
Yeah, right.
See, if their parents already had done many things, so I think, in business also, if the parents have a good business, so we want, our child to take over our business. So it
Yeah.
happens in everywhere. But
Kajal, you are right, but
I want to yeah, I want to support that if the things is happening, that the children are not, capable of doing acting good, or doing the something that any work that are, so I think that is not good. But if they are capable enough to do acting, I think most of the actor is also is good in acting, I think. So yeah, very few of them are not good, but yeah, some of them are good. And I think if they are good, then they shouldn't be prohibited because of that they got easily, they got the movie easily. I think it's not necessary that.
you are right.
Yeah,
And Kajal, you
yeah,
raised point about
exactly like
yes,
yeah, exactly like Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff are also talented, even if they are from family background.
Yeah.
this Kajal raised about the business point, but I'm just denying this point that if the child is from his father is a good businessman, but unfortunately about the child that he don't want to go in that business, he want to raise his own business, and I'm just telling the mentality of the Japanese people. And actually, my principal have an interview of their Japanese businessman, and his own child. He was a good businessman, but his own child was doing the job in the other company. And my principal just asked the question from him, why are you doing the job in that company? Your own father have a good fame, and he have a very good business. So he just want to
Hmm.
give that statement that I want to raise my business. I don't want to live in my father's business.
I think, everyone is not like that. If everyone is not like that. Most of the people wants their comfortable zone, so that's why they are not doing. And in fact, if they are not doing, then in fact we are just second case. Like, you know, if our father is doing something, then it is happening. Yeah, it is happening. I'm not denying that you are saying wrong, but I think it is very less in number, very less. Like somebody wants to become rich, or somebody want to be successful by their own, by their own efforts, by their own things. So it is a very rare case it is happening. But most of the time, in India, most of the time, I think in India it is happening that the father's properties, or the father business, or the father, I don't know, the whatever the work his or her father is doing. So it will be, automatically, you know it automatically go to their children, I think. So it is happening in India most of the time, I think. And not Indian,
But
many times, but it is happening. So it is
so,
very
Kajal,
less in
is
number.
there anything wrong about it? Just keep yourself in a place of that parents. Okay. So,
Hmm.
do you want your child to just take care of your business or not?
Yeah, I will. I won't. But yeah, it depends on parents to parents. If in my case, if you ask me my case, then I would love to, I would love to, uh, uh, I love to ask my children to go job and do something by their own. I would love to do this, but
Mhm.
most of the time it is not happening. The parents are very emotional for their child, and they want their child that they take over their business and live the comfortable life. So most of the time it is happening. So yeah, that's why it is also in Bollywood or anywhere it is happening, I think.
Yeah, okay. All right. Uh, now, Shivendra?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Steven
Yeah.
Thomas. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So today's topic are nepotism in Bollywood and politics, right? So first of all, I'm talk about Hollywood movies, okay? Because Hollywood movies, 0 to 100 points, gone because Bollywood movies are here 0 to 0 point. Why? Because it's a region of a part of family part, that's inter only director and producer, and only inter son brother, sister and daughter. So it's a very wrong because you know main actor, really talented actors are not a direct, because it's a first time TV serials are working, and after some web series. And hello, hello.
Yeah, you are audible. Let's keep on.
Okay, so main actors are working first of all TV serials and web series, and then normal acting in Bollywood movies. So it's a good and reason why Bollywood in not grow in 0 to 0 points only. So it's a wrong way, because it's a part here not matter your talented, here matter you part of my families and other director families. So here it's the main part, and it's a wrong, I think. Okay. And yeah, politician. So politics are, I think all politics and all party so are nepotism, because BJP party and Congress party and sorry, uh, I don't know, I forget the word. And so
Mhm.
all parties are nepotism part, okay. And like Nehru, first of all Congress, Nehru, families, and part and then carry on, okay, on the way. So and Rahul Gandhi's and Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi's. So it's a part of first sorry, Nehru families. And yeah, it's a openly, and Congress parties are, it's a openly, but BJP parties is a, I think part of nepotism, but yeah, it's not openly, I think, and it's a very wrong, I think a politician power, son politician, MLA, minister. So different, and not in other sector, job, any business, only on politics. And politics are daughter and nephew and other. So only it's a part of totally a nepotism. Okay, Bihar, Lalu, and Maharashtra, sorry, Thackeray families, and
Yeah, all right.
yeah, and I
Okay,
think
Sidhu. Yeah.
okay.
You can just sum up your point in just few seconds, just because there are
So
two more people, so we have to listen.
so finally, I'm saying
Mhm.
only awareness. Awareness is most important in public in India. Okay, awareness is most important. Am I right or not?
Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
Yeah. So awareness. So I think awareness is right and remove nepotism in my views. Okay.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, you are true. Shivam?
Hello.
Yeah, bro, you are audible. You
Yes,
can
as
say.
everyone said that the nepotism is all over in every field. So you can take the example of politics, Bollywood, and the nepotism is also in the Hollywood. So nepotism is everywhere, and the thing is, mm, it is in the India, and the nepotism is continuing from a very long time. You can watch the movie like uh, what's the Hrithik Roshan movie, Super 30. As if you watch, you can see the example of nepotism, that the rich family people are getting job, and the poor family are not getting job. They have to do their own business that are that used to their father used to do, and they have to also do that, like and in the Bollywood, you can take the example of like Abhishek Bachchan. He has not any talent, and he's getting entered into the Bollywood. But so, but if you will have a talent, then you will then you have to work hard, but you will definitely get succeed. And yeah, but if you will not have talent and you belong to a Bollywood family, then you will easily get entered into the Bollywood, but it will not result in of your success. And you will not get success if you will not have talent. If you will have talent, then you will only get selected, because Abhishek Bachchan get entered into the Bollywood career, but but now his movies are not coming in the in the field. That's why you can say
So hits up
just
Bachchan family's part.
I think I think talent and hard work is also matters, because I have seen the interview of Ajay Devgan and Kajol. They just told about themselves that they got the movie very easily. In fact, Ajay Devgan told that they never give any audition and all. But after coming to the first movie, he worked hard for that. He is from their parents. He got the movie from from the family, but still he is working hard. That's why I think his movie has hitted from many times, I think. So
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. And in this part, I also want to make one point. Definitely, if there is a nepotism, they can. It is only for temporary. It is not for long lasting. If you
Yeah,
want to
that's
be
true.
successful in a long term, then you need real talent. Only then anyone can, they can get success and they can become so popular. Otherwise,
Hmm.
just a few movies and after that you're gonna, flop. There are so many
Hmm.
examples.
like
So
Abhishek
nepotism is
Bachchan.
only for temporary.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have seen the Abhishek Bachchan. That's true, in fact.
And also it also, if there is any private companies and they are doing all these things, so they also
Hmm.
have to bear such consequences. After 1 or 2 years, they are gonna collapse if they don't have particular CEO in their company. So it is also true
Hmm.
in that part. So
Hmm.
that's why
That's true.
nepotism
In
is
fact, yeah. In fact,
yeah.
we can watch the, in today's scenario, we can watch the Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani also. They got the same, same properties. But right now, the Mukesh Ambani is, I think they are in top 200 richest list. I think top 10 richest list. His name has mentioned now in this year, I think. And now Anil Ambani has a lots of loss in his business. So we can see that if you got the property, if you got everything, but if you don't have the balance, how to how to deal with that situation, how to how to uh, how to tune your your work. So I think it is not possible for long time to become success, I think. So it is happening everywhere. You may got some movies, or you may got some business, but if you don't have the guts to to handle all those things, so you will definitely have loss on all those things.
Okay, all right. Nadeep? Nadeep, unmute yourself.
In Bollywood, nepotism goes all the way from actress to directors to singer to music directors. However, having said that, I think the amount of nepotism is not that significant. Less in Hollywood. The big difference between the two is that in the Bollywood is the so a lot more open, and your faith, such as um, Abhishek Bachchan and Parineeti Chopra, that type of actress, because uh,
Hmm.
for example is that I don't remember the actor.
Yeah. Okay. And Nadeep, do you think in government exam there is also nepotism? Do you think?
Yes, yes, I think because some some people are do a government job, then their children prepare the same job, and then they can nepotism in this topic.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, all right. Abhinav?
Am I audible?
Bro, Abhinav?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, bro.
Basically, nepotism is a favoritism to the relative of the public figure who continuously ascend the stair, and the other candidate does not get equal chance. In politics, you can say many of you have said that Rahul Gandhi, Lalu Prasad, then you have Mulayam Singh Yadav. This is the reason that why youth like us does not see it as a political career, basically politics. And this is not that is seen in the last 3 to 4 decades. It is persisting in the Indian system from the the since the dynasty rule, when the Mughal dynasty, where where the all the leaders get their empire from the fathers, and also the Varna system where the son of the priest become priest. And this type of nepotism does not ensure talent. Everyone has a right to stand and have a fair chance to introduce himself or herself. And in the Bollywood, you can say we have we have witnessed the Sushant Singh Rajput death, and many of you have tell about that. And Ekta Kapoor film production, they do not focus on the talented actor.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah, it's a benefit only part of politician and sorry, Bollywood families. So it's a part of benefit, right? And
But I disagree with the Noti point. What he said that if the if the son of the father doing government job, but if someone is coming with the talent by giving the competitive exam, then I don't so this is a nepotism.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so anybody have any, Kajol or Vicky? Now, if anyone wants to make points, so you can make. Or
And I
we
think,
have not.
nepotism is going on, very last year. And someone told that it is going on from Mughal Empire, from very
Exactly.
last decades. So it is
Yeah,
happening. That's, I think.
from ancient time. But if someone is using their power force to deprive
In a
such
wrong
talent,
way,
then
yeah.
it is definitely wrong. Then it is too much wrong. But if you are just
Mhm.
only supporting your family so they can grow, and there is
Mhm.
no harm to other people, then nothing is
Mhm.
wrong. It is all good. Yeah.
I think, who is doing all those things. I think, after some time they don't, it is not for last long. I think, there is a lots of example. I had already mentioned that if they are not, if they can't handle those things, those success or those, those work. So I think, it is not for long lasting. So yeah, they are famous as they are the child of their parents. Like their parents are so too successful. But I think it is not last long for, for
Yeah,
him or for her. I think
yeah,
if
Kajol, you are
if they
right.
have no ability.
Yeah, Kajol, you are right. Currently, we have witnessed the death of the cafe coffee day head.
Yeah, there's
I
a lots
don't
of
remember.
example. I think. Yeah.
I don't remembering the name of that person, but he has suicide
Yeah.
himself
Who has
while
done
work.
who has done the suicide? I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
CCD
Dhruv,
honor. Yeah.
Dhruv, I want to ask you a question. Hello.
Sure, you can.
Yeah, bro, you said you asked to someone, you asked someone, I think from Navdeep, you asked, uh, is there nepotism in government job too? So do you think
Mm-hmm.
so?
But if someone is coming
Bro,
and giving the competitive exam,
directly,
Yeah.
directly,
I
it is not
know.
possible.
I
Directly, it is
know.
not possible in 21st century.
Some exam.
Directly, I'm telling.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
just because everything is online, there is
Yes, yes.
transparency.
it's a
So
possible
directly,
some
it is
exam.
not
Directly is
possible.
not possible, but
We can say it is kind of corruption,
Yeah, exactly. Then
right?
indirectly, some people they try to
if
do
if a
some
people,
in some post.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes,
That's true.
Yeah, because it is not easily possible to do uh, to apply nepotism, I mean.
it is possible in the interview exam.
Yeah, only in interview, but interview have also been removed from many exams.